Let's take now a more in-depth look at the Autolister. Depending on your license pack, you may not have all the options that I will show here, or even you can have more, because we are all the time adding new features. But this is more or less the basic features that most people will have. Okay. Here in the top, if you have more than one supplier, you will see how many listings you have for each supplier. In this case, 9 for Amazon. You can list 30 to 20 more. 1 for Walmart. You can 27 more, and so on and so on. Okay, and here you will be able to select between the suppliers. So if you want to list from Amazon, from Walmart, for Ali, okay, and we will have more also in the future. Okay. Now you will copy the source product ID. In the case of Amazon is the ASIN, so we just take it from here. Let's copy this, come here, you copy here. This and these are for variation. I will explain in the next videos that I talk about variations. Let's talk now about the options that are in this side. Okay, here you have strip HTML that will allow us to when we take the description from Amazon, we will remove HTML codes that so your list in eBay will not have the codes that came from Amazon. So usually you want to check this. Uniquify image is a very interesting feature that instead of just upload the images from Amazon, what we'll do, we'll take we'll download the pictures to our servers, we'll process the pictures. You can set how to process in the lister configuration. I will explain more about that on the next video. And then we will upload the processed images. Okay, if you want, you can also add a watermark image. So the image will have your watermark, very nice. Suggest category. Usually you want this, so we will suggest the more appropriate category for you to work on eBay. We will suggest the correct category based on the features of inside your product. And spin test is a very nice feature. This is from a third party. You need to buy a license to the spinner that will take the text in your description that we take from Amazon, and we will change a few words. Okay, so your description will not be like everybody's description. Will give some unique aspects to your list. We believe that this can improve your results. Okay, but this is an optional feature. Like we said, it's a third party. You need to buy a license to the third party application. Okay, configuration. You can destination ID is usually not relevant, only for some kind of other software that we have. Okay, or if you want to get the category in the exact same license, in the exact same category that the eBay ID that it's the other category. Configuration. You can have up to 2 configurations. For example, you can work with part of your items in configuration 1 only in items on the buy box, and on configuration 2 you can work with items that you want to work with supplier table. Okay, just an example, you can on config 1 work with only domestic suppliers, and on configuration 2 you can, for some special products, allow any kind of supplier, including non-domestical suppliers. Okay, the configuration itself you configure in the price monitor. Okay, now the template. You can have as much templates as you want. You choose what template you want to list this item, so it will be a very nice aspect when we upload it to eBay. And quantity control. This is also an important feature that will allow us to increment the quantity of product that you have in eBay every time a sale is made. For example, if you have one item being sold and then you make a sale, the quantity on eBay will go down to 0. So we will check, and if this item is still available in Amazon, we will increase the quantity to 1. So this is good, so you don't lose sales because your items goes to 0. So enable the quantity control. You need to enable it also on the other pages, okay? I will talk more about it on the next videos also. And last, you click on import from source, and we'll explain the other details in the next video. Bye bye.